This is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Well, I'm going to show it to you now. Well, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery and your contact details here in this link and this contact link, this. And if you have any other services that you want to add, you can also add it here in services link. And about your company, this link too. Well, if this website would be good for you or maybe helpful, do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.